Good day, everyone. Learn how to move your Google Sheet to the Google Drive. So I'll open the Google Sheet, and let's say if you want to share this timesheet you want to move or save it to your drive, you just need to click on the three dots and then scroll down, and you will find Move. The moment you click on Move at the top right top, you will find My Drive, Computers. If you have shared with me. And then you can simply select the My Drive, and you can select the folder where you want to save it. And then you just need to click on Move. So let's say if I want to move it to the test folder, I'll just select it and I'll click on Move. And we have successfully moved it to the drive, Google Drive. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.